today we will cover distinct count. Distinct count is a combination of two functions, distinct plus count, because we have these two functions separately. So distinct means unique values. So let's say if in this department column I have finance 100 times, so which means it will count only one. So let's see that example. So I'll say unique department count, and then I will apply distinct. So as I was saying, so distinct is a separate functions, but we are not looking at that now. Distinct count and column name is department. Let's close the bracket, check formula. Okay, okay, all right. So let me see that unique department count. So it gave me 10 only, so we can cross check that. So I'll copy this and I'll paste it here, and then I'll remove duplicate values from data, remove duplicate. Okay, so you can see that we got 10 departments only. So that's how it works.